coming. I appreciate it. And today's staff development is on using digital tools with our consensus documents. I went looking through some of your consensus documents on the February and March, but I also kept in mind things that look kid-friendly, and I didn't want to spend too much time talking because I wanted to give you all about 25 minutes to actually work together to come up with like one technology tool that either I've used before or I want to try to use, and how I want to use it in my classroom. So that's the end of mine. I'm going to start with Telegami. I saw this, actually Ms. Arthur's class was doing this one time. This one is just on the iPad. Some of them you can use with both on a desktop and an iPad. This one is just on the iPad. It is a free app. Go ahead and load that. At least somebody, and just kind of play around with it. Another one is Voki. So one thing, so if everybody in your class does not have an iPad, they can use Voki on a desktop. It's a little bit more user-friendly probably than Telegami. Piccollage. This is an iPad app. If you want to go there with your iPad, you're welcome to. If every child does not have an iPad, then I would suggest something like blogster.edu. Let's say that you need to do a timeline or even a graphic organizer. Quizlet is super easy. It is an iPad app, but if every child does not have an iPad, this is something they can use on a desktop. Okay, so I did see on Quizlet.com, that was on, I think, 4th or maybe 3rd grade's consensus map where you were going to do something with a word card. Quizlet, in my opinion, is a lot like digital flashcards, where you put like stuff for memorization. Big Huge Labs was suggested on the consensus document. Big Huge Labs, if you do want to go there, they do have graphic organizers already made. And I suggest to you to find just a few of these digital tools, use them often in multiple ways to get your children used to using them. And then keep introducing new digital tools along and along, instead of like trying to overdo it and use a new digital tool for everything, and then it's called Scribble Maps. But it's almost like when they can use this on a desktop computer. If you're doing any kind of geography or mapping, they can go to these places and actually scribble on the map. I thought it was really cool. So think about your standards. If there's anywhere they need to locate anything specifically on the map, you may want to go there and explore.
I like the idea of them understanding, like when they stand back, what, you know, the knowledge is undertake arms, science, rocks and minerals, solids, liquids, and gases.
And it just looks up specific. It's not like Google. But, so like, for example,
I love it. That is so funny.
What a shape.
and then you can hit record. They did that to me for Columbia Exchange. Who took a picture of you teaching? They did that for Columbia Exchange.
So they put what they want you to say.
Yeah, they took a picture of me, and then they made my mouth move, but they just had
They
their
recorded your instruction?
yeah.
Which one is that?
I think it makes you talk like a robot because you see how the mouth moves.
Do the regions and the cities and the rivers and the climate capital and all that stuff at the beginning of the year when we do maps of South Carolina. And we also would use the Piccollage because we can do it with rocks and minerals, solids, liquids, and gas, and different habitats.
Well, we talked about face talk, and how we would, like we're teaching Civil War right now, and so maybe you'll capture a picture of a Confederate soldier and what he said, you know, at this time period, or a Union soldier, or any of our standards, like we're going to teach Robert Small and those stuff.
I was thinking the same thing, like for 5th grade with civil rights, like looking at Martin Luther King, different things, whether it's space talk or I liked the Telegami too, where they could create a character that's maybe sharing out or telling about a certain person. But the Face Talk, I think, where you could pull up an image, so you could actually make it like it's
Okay.
Martin Luther King and he's talking and telling his beard's talking.
Pic collage is good to use for really anything. We've used it in science before. And they can find pictures of things, write what they are, give definitions and examples. We did that with science.
What's that called?
Pic collage.
Oh, you joined
Like they had to upload pictures of solids, liquids, and gases, and then give 3 facts about each. I like that one a lot too.
That was good fun for the children too.
Yeah, they like it.
Because I don't know, for me, it's hard to find things that you think the children are, but that's not going to be so complicated. You want something user friendly where they can.
Well, there's an app that I use called EduCreations that's very user friendly, and it, you can upload pictures from the internet, and it just goes straight to the pictures. It's not like Google where you're not really sure what you're looking up, and you can take your own pictures and you can draw on it, you can type on it, you can record.
Oh,
So they've created lessons, and if the teacher creates their own account, it uploads to the class account, and then you can play them on the computer on the smartboard so they can see their work for the
Oh,
others.
that's cool. That's called Creations.
It's EduCreations.
Creations.
And they also use it as a whiteboard. You know, instead of using markers, we just use that as our whiteboard too.
That sounds cool.
Like Selly Reader, timed reading or something like that. But what they have on there is you read a passage and then it asks you 6 questions, you answer them, and it tells you how many words you read per minute. But it also has on there practice form, like it'll pop up 3 to 5 words at one time. It'll just pop them up, and you can put that you want them to read at 130 words per minute. So that's the rate it's popping up. But if they don't read at that rate, but they still need to increase, and they read 60, you could move them down to 70 words per minute, so they're having to work. Okay, this is what it would look like for you to read 10 words faster. You know, and they read it like that. And then there's another one where it's a long paragraph, but it's like in a diamond shape, and it highlights the words in all black. And so it's a 130 word a minute reader. They would have to keep up with it to know that that's how many words I need to read a minute. And I used it today with my kids, and they really liked it. And I think it's going to be a good one.
Was it the magazine article they were about on the revolution or some
Oh,
type
that's
of?
a read, write, think, .org, the printing press. It's a good one.
So if y'all have never gone there, it's really cool, especially for publishing and creating. It looked really kid friendly, and the kids were really engaged in it.
LeVay showed us that. She was doing, you can make cubes with it, you can make,
Newspaper,
newspapers with it, you can make,
Rewrite one.
rewrite things.
think,
I
And
think I printed out
We're
before.
gonna do a newspaper type activity, so.
what else? The thing with the cube, you know, you type in what needs to be on the cube. It can be a question or question and the answer, and then they talk, or they can type it in, and then you print out the cube, and then they create the cube and play the game.
This has been the best training I've ever had with the most useful data tech tools. You should get an A.